Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how I created this look. This look is inspired from Tara Sutaria's look from her movie Marjavaan. So if you want to see how I created this look, keep on watching. Today's look I'm going to use this primer from PAC. I'm going to apply it to my face. Since her look is very fresh, I'm going to use L'Oreal Paris True Match Foundation. This is a medium coverage foundation, perfect for this look. And blend it using my buffing brush, including my neck. I'm going to use L'Oreal Paris True Match Concealer and apply it under my eyes as well as my nose, and then blend it using a brush. To set my base, I'm using L'Oreal Paris True Match Compact. Next, I'm using Makeup Revolution Banana Powder to bake my face. And then use Nykaa's gel liner and make a thin line. And then smudge it using a pencil brush. Once I'm done smudging, I'm going to use Miss Clay's brown eyeshadow and then apply it all over my lid. Then I'm going to use LA Girl's eyeshadow palette and I'm going to use this shade for my crease. Then I'm just going to blend it, and then I'm going to line my eyes using Lakme's brown eyeliner and then smoke it out using the same pencil brush. Then I'm going to use Miss Clay's brown eyeshadow to smoke it out further, and also use the LA Girl's eyeshadow. I am gonna fill my eyebrows using the same Miss Clay eyeshadow. Then use a good coat of mascara. This is from L'Oreal. Next I'm using this contour shade from Sivana's blush palette and lightly contouring my face and my nose. Next I'm using this L'Oreal Paris blush and applying it on my cheeks. I'm also going to apply it on the tip of my nose. Lastly, I'm going to use Nykaa's liquid lipstick in the shade Beige as a base, and then I'm going to mix these three lip colors to create a similar looking pink shade as hers, and then apply it to my lips. And this is the finished look. I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.